Yay, it's time to talk handling skills. When we talk handling skills, leash drills often come to mind. But this video isn't about that. As we don't use our leashes to make our dogs do things, we'll see examples of the leash being used for safety and management. Especially when it comes to reactive dogs, our fluffies with big emotions, we don't want to add tension to the lead. If your dog is scared, adding tension will likely make it more frightened. And if your dog is aroused, trying to chase something or get to something, tension on the leash might probably make it activate their reflex to pull. It's actually one of the techniques used in bite sports to increase drive. But we are training our pet dogs, right? So we teach them that a loose leash is the best, and we help them keep slack on the line. We do that by using the following techniques that use movement and engagement with the handler, you, to help your dogs have some freedom of movement and make good choices. That's the ultimate goal of training, right? I usually start with back pedaling, side shuffling, and outward turn because they are easier for both the handler and the dog. I usually apply these techniques for management when it comes to low and medium value distractions. For example, if the outward turn, if there is a trigger that my dog can see, maybe observe, and then we move away. Now the inside turn, it can be perceived as more invasive by some dogs, so I will usually do it in the case of emergency. In this technique, you are going to use your body, more specifically your left leg, to help your dog turn. Okay, so you kind of block the dog from going closer to the trigger. That's why it can be perceived as a little bit more invasive. Now let's see how we can combine those moves creatively in our walks. Starting with the Sailor Jerry, which is an inside turn followed by backpedaling away from the trigger. And here are some other moves I do, combining front to 800 degrees turn, also side shuffling followed by find it, when you can have your dog look down and not engage with the distraction, and also a variation of that would be side shuffling and making a turn to walk the other way.